Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Braun Series 9 Pro Plus men's shaver. So here's the actual shaver. Now you do have to plug this in to the charger before it will not work until you do that. But this also comes with the charging base. We also got a cleaning solution that's going to go inside the charging base. That's going to clean the shaver head. I got this really nice travel case. The shaver is inside this zipper travel case, which is super nice. Fits it perfect. Again, here's the charging cable. Now, I'm going to plug this into my base. The base is a 6-in-1 base. It's going to clean, charge, get it all ready to go. But you can plug this right into the shaver, into a wall outlet. But I'm going to be plugging this into the base right here. Little cleaning brush. And then this is Pro Comfort Head. We're going to open this up. There's no cutting on this. This is to stimulate your face and to release the hairs. I've never used anything like that, but all you do is you pop this. This is the actual cutting head, which is very sophisticated. And then you put this on. And then turn it on. And it's to stimulate. Press these two buttons right here at the same time. And then we put this one on. And then it should just snap into place. Okay, let's talk about the razor again. This power button, nothing will happen until you've got to plug it into the wall outlet. Now it does come with some charge, but you have to that activates it. So you're gonna plug it in, and now you can turn it on. There's your battery percentage. Turn it off. It's just got one speed. This is to lock the head or unlock the head. So see, the head moves free, and there it's locked. You can lock it into different positions. Does have this trimmer back here. Press this release button, and that's got a Pro trimmer. Press it again, it should come down. Yeah, nice rubber. This is wet or dry. There's a close-up of the shaving head itself. Now I've looked inside here. When it's moving, just that whole thing moves. Not each one of those don't individually have an own motor. There's just one motor moving that whole tray, which in turn moves each one of those very complex. Okay, this is the model of the AC adapter. Input 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, 7 watts. Output 400 milliamps. And the model number of the charger is 492-5219. The cable is 4 feet long. All right, I've got the base plugged in. There were some lights that flashed up here. Now there's a big release button here. You're going to press that release button. This pops up. This is the solution that's going to clean the shaver head when you put it in there. But we got to do some work. We got to take this off. Now it will spill. I just got some on my hands, so we want to be really careful with it. Okay, that will spill out. Then you're going to take, there's a little notch here. You're going to take it, slide it in very carefully. All right. Oops. And it goes past little grippers there have to grip it, and it did spill a little bit. Then you put, there's two tubes that are going to go in where those holes were. Press down, now you're in. This has to be on a level surface. You don't want to disturb it after you've got this installed like this. This is going to charge it and do a self-cleaning on it. And we always put it in kind of at an angle. Here's the charging contacts, and it's going to go kind of straight in, not at too big of an angle, but I kind of go in like this, and you'll hear a beep. That means it's charging. And you'll see the charging display right there. Okay, let's measure. Overall, 9.5 inches tall, left, right, 4 inches. And front to back, we want to be very careful with it, about 5.5 inches. When we want to do a self-cleaning, just press the button. It's going to clean that shaver head with that solution. And it also turns the shaver head on to kind of get some of the hairs out of the head. And this is all automatic. It'll stop on its own. So it kind of stopped for a little bit, then it starts back up again. again, it kind of stops and starts. Then you'll hear it kicks a little fan on. It's going to dry that shower or that razor head when it's all done. So there's the little fan you hear. Now up here, the display, this is going to flash red when you're out of solution. There's 3 different levels of cleaning programs. Depending on how much the shaver has been used, it'll change the program that it needs to clean. It does that automatic. There's the 3 cleaning. You got short, normal level, and intense cleaning. Now when you want to use it, just grab it. It comes right out. It might be a little wet. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.